Hello everyone and welcome to Bublis World Cuisine. Today I will share a healthy nut butter recipe with you. I'm making 100% pure almond butter today and I'll show you how you can easily make it at home in 3 minutes without any additional oil or sugar. Also, I'll share some important information and tips regarding almond consumption, so stay tuned. Almonds have healthy, good fats, and if you can add them to your regular diet, that's very beneficial for your body. Anyways, I like to make this butter in small batches. I finish one batch, and then if I like to make this butter again, I just go for the next batch. So I'm taking 1 cup of almonds here, and I'm gonna share some information with you, which is very important while making almond butter. Now, you probably know that you need to soak almonds in water overnight or at least few hours so that the skin comes off. Now, almonds has phytic acid or phytate, that is what plants use to store phosphorus. Now, this can't easily be digested by our body. So to reduce the phytic acid in almonds, you need to soak them, which means you have to dry it and then make sure there is no mold, which is not an easy process. If you soak them, you have to dry them. So the easiest way for making almond butter is to dry roast them. Now that will or reduce phytic acid. Anyways, so what I have done is I have put a cup of almond in my frying pan and heat is low. I'm going to dry roast it. It takes something around 7, 8 to 10 minutes because you need to dry them in low heat. You constantly need to stir it so that they don't get burned, and after a few minutes you'll see that smoke has started to come out, which indicates that it's nearly done, and you gotta be really careful at this stage. You don't want to burn your almonds. My almonds are all done, so what I'm going to do is remove it from the heat. As you can see, the skin color has changed, but you won't see that on each and every almond. Anyways, now moving them to a plate. You want to make sure that you give it a couple of minutes to cool down slightly, but not completely. You need to put them on your grinder next, but you want to make sure that they are still warm so that you get the essential oils from it. All almonds are in, and now I'm going to close the lid of my grinder and it's gonna go on the machine. So first we are going to pulse it, and you want to pulse it for something around 45 seconds to a minute. It all depends on your grinder strength and everything. So we are going to do it in batches. So on the first batch, what's going to happen is the nut is going to break and it's going to become powder. So that's all. So it's gonna take 45 seconds to a minute, and once it's done, it should look something like this, which is just broken nuts. And I'm showing you the texture of it so that it's easier for you to understand and make it at home. It's not done, so what we are going to do is put on the blade again, and I'm going to put it on my machine again. So for the second time, we are going to pulse it again, but for 30 seconds. So you probably can see that it has started to release some oil, and after the second grinding it looks something like this. It looks something similar to wet sand, that's all. Our butter is not ready at all, and we are going to close the lid now. I'm just showing you a close-up of how it looks on the second stage. Lid, blade, it's on, and for the third time I have turned on my grinder, and this time more oil is coming out and it looks something similar to a spread or butter. This time the consistency looks something like this. More oil has come out, but it's not done yet. For the fourth time I have turned on my grinder, and this time it looks very much spreadable. I'm really hoping this will be my last time. It all depends on your grinder. Anyways, after fourth grinding, which is again 30 seconds of grinding, it has become something like this. and it looks perfect to me. Now I have a sterilized jar here. You must sterilize your jar before putting this nut butter. And I'm pouring it in. You want to make sure that your hands and all the utensils are clean. I hope you can see on the video how much oil has come out. Anyways, you want to tap it so that there is no air bubbles left in, because we are going to preserve it. My almond butter, 100% pure almond butter, is all ready, and I made it in under 3 minutes. I hope this recipe comes useful to you. This almond butter doesn't have any preservative, no sugar, no oil. It's 100% pure almond butter. So try it at home. If you have any questions, put them on the comment box below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care and bye for now.